Hello everyone. So now we'll be discussing one question again from this week 4 assignment 4 of the NPTEL course Introduction to Machine Learning. So here in this question they have given one data set x point one feature they have given, and corresponding to that feature what is the class level +1 or -1 that is given. Okay. And the question is, which of these is not a support vector when using a support vector classifier with a polynomial kernel having degree 3, C value 1, gamma value 0.1. So these X feature values, on this particular data set, we need to apply a support vector classifier, okay, from the sklearn library. And in a support vector classifier, few data points are always support vectors, whereas rest of the data points are not support vectors. So they are asking which one is not a support vector out of all these data point that is given. Okay, so to do this, we have this support vector classifier this classifier from SVM module of the sklearn library. Okay, so we are going to use that one only. So here, since we have to work on the numpy array, so we will import numpy as np. Then from the sklearn library, the module was svm. From svm module, we'll import the SVC classifier. Okay, then what we'll do, we'll assign the data values here x, okay, using this np array, numpy array, the data value that is given in the data set. Okay, so for that, what are the data points that is given? 1 2 4 5 6 7 9 10. Okay, so here 1 2 4 5 6 7 1 2 4 5 6 7 9 and 10. 9 and 10. So these are the data points. These are the x feature points. Then what is the class level? Class level again will store in a numpy array. Here it was 1 1, then -1 -1 -1 then last were ones. So 1 1 -1 -1 -1 -1 last were ones, right? 1 minus. Then what we need to do, the data points also we have stored in a numpy array. Now we will since we have imported this SVC classifier, so we will create one model out of it. Suppose the name of the model is SVM model. Okay, then SVC classifier we are going to use. Now in this SVC classifier, as you can see, it has several parameters and attributes. Okay, as which are passed as arguments. So out of this we need to use the C parameter, then kernel we need to use polynomial. Then what is given in the question, degree we need to take 3, C parameter, gamma parameter value, and the kernel will be polynomial kernel. Okay, these we need to use. So the kernel is polynomial kernel, then degree equal to 3, then C parameter value is 1, gamma parameter value equal to 0.1. Okay, so we have imported the model, this SVM underscore model. Now we'll simply, what we'll do, we will train this SVM model on our training data set. So the training data set is nothing but the entire data that is given, very small data set that is given. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to find out the support vector and non-support vectors. Okay, now this SVM SVC, this particular class of this SVM module, it has several attributes. One attribute is this particular one attribute is this support underscore attribute. Okay, it will give the indices of the support vectors from the data set. Which are the support vector data points? The index of those data points will be given by this support underscore attribute. Then there is this support underscore vectors underscore attribute is there, which will give us directly the support vectors. Okay, so what we will do here, we will try to use this support underscore vector underscore this particular attribute and directly get the support vectors. Now, since in the question it is mentioned that which one is not support vector, means out of all these data points there is only one data point which is not a support vector. So if we find out the support vectors, okay, which one is not support vector, directly we can find out. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll get the support vector using support. Okay, support vectors, let me just, this is one user defined variable. I will get the support vector from the SVM model that we have trained, and the attribute is support underscore vectors underscore. Okay, support underscore vectors underscore. Okay, so this will simply give me the support vectors. Let me print the support vectors. Support vectors are support underscore vectors. Yes, so if I print this, taking little time. Window should not take much time. Okay, so here in the output we have simply printed the support vectors directly. We have printed the support vectors, and the support vectors are 5, then 6. 6 is support vector, 7 is also a support vector, 1 is a support vector, 2 is a support vector, and 9 is a support vector, right? Okay, so 4 and 10, these two are not support vectors. So, but in the options, so here not only one data point but multiple data points are not support vectors. That is data point 4 and data point 10. But in the options, 4 is not given, only 10 is given. So the correct option will be 10. Okay, 10 is not a support vector. Since the length of this data is very small, it is easy to identify which one is not the support vectors. Okay, so I hope you understood. Thank you.